Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with power and purpose. Charge the battery until the indicator shows full, then attach the guard that matches your desired length. Comb your brows upward and hold the skin taut with one hand. This creates a smooth surface. Turn on the trimmer and test it on the back of your hand to confirm speed and feel. Once done, position the blade at a 45 degrees angle and make the first light, downward pass, short, confident strokes to remove excess length. Now you shape. Comb the hair into place and use short, controlled strokes from the inner brow toward the tail to maintain natural flow. For precise edges, remove the guard and trim with the tip of the blade. Keep it vertical and work slowly. Make sure to check symmetry often by comparing both brows with a spoolie and mirror at eye level. Slight adjustments matter more than long passes. If a hair is stubborn, hold it with tweezers and make a final micro-cut rather than over-trimming. Finish by switching the trimmer off, then remove and brush away hair from blades and guards. Rinse removable parts if waterproof and dry thoroughly. Apply a drop of clipper oil to the blades, wipe excess, and store the trimmer in its case to protect the battery. Do a final check in natural light, tweeze any stray hairs, and soothe skin with a cool gel if needed. If you see uneven trimming or irritation, lower the speed, reattach a longer guard, or replace the blade before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.